Want to produce up to 300 kilograms per hour of crispy Niknak chips? Introducing the CH300-E Niknak Chips Production Line by Zirve Extrusion. Designed for high-capacity performance and equipped with a 3-layer hot air drying oven. Ensuring extra crispiness, consistent texture, and premium quality. Stable operation, efficient drying, professional extrusion technology. Start manufacturing one of the most popular corn snacks in the market today. Contact us now to get full specifications and a quotation.